Hello everybody and welcome back to Visit Fylde Coast. I turned another corner and I found something else interesting because of course Blackpool is hosting the Conservative Party Spring Conference very soon, and there is more building work going on. I've only got to hear the sound of a drill and I'm there like a rat up a drain pipe. So I thought I'd pop round to St John's Square and we'd have a look and we'd see what's happening, and look, the sun's come out for us as well. So don't forget, make sure that you've subscribed to Visit Fylde Coast, hit that little bell for notifications. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up too. So we'll just have a little nosy, shall we? So, two things. Well, first of all, we've got quite a lot of vans parked in the square today, and quite a few police ones too. I noticed there were quite a few police cars parked round and about. But we'll start at this end. We'll start at this end with the new faces. The new faces and the new conferences, as you might say. So, of course, the Winter Gardens Conference Centre is recently completed and opened. And you access it down Leopold Grove, which is this road that we're walking towards now. So, Leopold Grove is here. And this is the Winter Gardens Conference Centre in its beautiful, pristine, brand new glory. So the main entrance of it is on that corner, just there. And I must say, it looks exactly like it does on the Artist's Impressions. And on the 18th and 19th of March, which also happens to be English Tourism Week, the Conservative Party are coming back to Blackpool with their conference in that building. So when they arrive, they'll see, in fact I would imagine that's why these are scurrying about, because all these shop fronts on the Winter Gardens are all being replaced, and unfortunately they've got their van parked in a bit of an awkward spot, but we'll go around the end of here and now. Oh, that's clever, I've never seen anybody do that before. So you can see this House of Secrets one here that's been done, and they put all the new leaded lights in. So that's what they're doing, they're exposing the old winch front casings and replacing all of them with new hardwood fittings. Bang, bang, bang. You see here, Quilligans has already been done. Doesn't that look nice? Doesn't that look nice? So I don't think it's quite finished yet. When you look at the stonework around the edge, it looks as if it wants a little bit of attention, but I would imagine they're trying to get it done and tidy before the delegates arrive. Several squads of police vans, etc. So all the Winter Gardens, it's open at the moment for a private event, but all the Winter Gardens will be going secure within the next few days. Of course, all eyes will be on Blackpool. The new conference centre holds up to 7,000 delegates, and 2,000 people are expected to come to this one. And you will need a ticket. You will need a paid-for Conservative Party ticket to get in. So don't turn up thinking that you're going to blag your way into the entrance. So you might be thinking, I can't abide the Conservative Party, why should I care? Well, irrespective of who it might be, it's significant that conferences are coming back to Blackpool, because from 1917, when the first conference was held, that was a trade union one, Blackpool has always been the place for conferences. It's always been the place where major political parties and everybody in their ante have come for conferences. So the TUC had their first annual conference, and that was the first conference in 1917. They were followed by Labour, then the Conservatives, and for 60 years it was the one place where you would come to go to a conference. But then in 2000, Labour were first to desert Blackpool. They thought it was a bit shabby. They wanted to go somewhere a bit posher. Conservatives left in 2007, and that was it for quite some years. That was it. There was no more conferences, no more big ones anyway. And now with the new conference centre and the new facilities and the building work that's going off everywhere and all the cleaning and polishing, conferences are back. So hopefully it will be the first of very many. There's already been the Magicians one held there. That was the very first one to come back into the new building. And then in May, from the 1st to the 4th of May, it's the USDOR Trade Union Conference. So things are starting to look up. And of course all these conferences bring a huge number of delegates in who by and large need accommodation. So if you're looking for accommodation for the conference, don't forget to look at our Stay Blackpool members who are all accredited with either AA, Visit Britain or Blackpool approved. They spend money in the local bars and pubs and restaurants and shops. So it's all good for our local economy. So these guys, I've just been talking to them a minute ago. They're getting ready for the royal visit. So I presume this is... Oh, there you go, money shots. Let's have a look at the tower. Oh, look, the sun's come out for us. I presume this is the entrance that is going to be Star of Stage, Screen and Radio, because look, it's got a new canopy. Well, it's got a new facade to the canopy. And they're busy painting all the entrance and cleaning everything up and making it look all shiny and tickety-boo. So by the time all eyes are on Blackpool, and I mean obviously there'll be camera crews, news crews, everybody in their ante. It's going to look really nice. So there you go. New face for the front of the Winter Gardens. New paint of coat for the side of the coat of paint for the side of the Winter Gardens, and new conferences back in Blackpool. Hope you've enjoyed that video. Make sure that you've done all the usual, that you've subscribed, hit the bell, signed up for your newsletter and all that kind of stuff. And I hope you've enjoyed this little look round how Blackpool's coming back to life after winter, after COVID and after a lack of conferences. And we'll see you soon. Bye for now.